these workouts are the same, apart for each workout utilizes a different note value. The first workout is played in eighths. The second workout is played in 16th notes. If the first workout, the eighths workout, feels too fast for you, then that currently just means that you need to practice the modes a little bit more before moving on to this workout. But it also means that you may just need to purely practice this exercise in a slower tempo or using quarter notes. So you could practice it by yourself slower and then build your way up to playing along with me in eighths. If you can already play it in eighths with me, but can't play the 16ths, then that gives you 16ths the goal to work towards. And if you can play all of them, then that means that you've nailed it. And you're ready for my level 2 Pentatonic Masterclass course. Now I want to summarise what you should have learnt so far within my Level 1 Pentatonic Masterclass course, and also what your key takeaways should be before moving on to my Level 2 Masterclass course. So far you should have learned all of the 5 box shapes of the minor and major pentatonic, with the order in minor pentatonic being Aeolian pentatonic, followed by Ionian pentatonic, followed by Dorian pentatonic, followed by Phrygian pentatonic, followed by Mixolydian pentatonic, and then after that you would end up back at the root. If you were utilizing these within a major key, then the order would be Ionian pentatonic, followed by Dorian pentatonic, followed by Phrygian pentatonic, followed by Mixolydian pentatonic, followed by Aeolian pentatonic, and then after that you would end up at the octave of the root being Ionian pentatonic once again. You should have all of those box shapes memorized and also know how they all are relative within one key. That means how they link together, and you should have a solid exercise in which you can play all of them in one related key, being A minor or C major. What you could utilize as a takeaway is to try these shapes in different keys. We've learnt in the key of A minor or C major, as they are relative minor and major keys. If you took the shapes that we've learnt within this course and moved every single one of them down by 1 fret, that would put it in the key of A flat minor. If we move down by another fret, that would put it in the key of G minor, and so on. Try some of our backing tracks or any backing tracks that you can find anywhere in any key and try utilizing those modes, whether you're randomizing the notes that are involved. That means playing the notes but in a different order, or whether you're just purely playing the scale over the top of a backing track. You could even stick on your favorite song and just play it over the top of it and see how it fits and see what key it's in as well.